Hi, I'm Joanna.
I'm Melanie.
We're very excited to demo some different things you can do with ZWILLING XTEND, which is a new cordless system of power tools for the kitchen.
I love the Extend product because it helps me make this baby food I can meal prep for the entire week. It's one hand, it's quick, it's the chunky consistency he needs for his age, and it's perfect.
Done.
The exciting thing about doing it with the Extend is because you can move this up and down, it doesn't get stuck. So this is the shared battery that works across everything. You just pop it in, very satisfying. The first thing you have to do is there's a little unlock button. If it's 4 lights, it means it's fully charged. So the other piece that's super exciting about this is the vacuum. There's no bag, you can just open it up and dump it out. It cleans up really fast.
Wow.
We're gonna make Jennifer's mom's
Yep.
pumpkin bread.
Easiest, best recipe ever.
There are 3 power settings, and the best thing is it's really quiet. Okay, so this is what I find very exciting, is if we're done, we just pop these guys out, and then there's no cord, so
Yeah,
you don't
which
have
is
to worry about
great.
that, and then that's it. That's all you have to clean.
Yeah.